What up, what up, what up? What's good people? Shout out to everybody that's watching another episode of VTech Productions. Today we're going to figure out the easiest way to make vertical videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, first thing we got to do is share our screen and run that intro. All right, cool. So we got screen share over here. All right, so we have a video over here, and this is just a video of me talking about captions, essentially. So this is a video. This is a test of closed captions. I'm talking slow, and then I'm talking fast. So let's see how it goes. Pretty simple video, nothing crazy going on. Now, let's say that you already made a 4K video or something. You made a video basically to be viewed horizontally and you want to change it. Okay, couple ways that you could do this. To me, this is like one of the easiest ways, but you want to go to sequence settings, and then you could do, remember these numbers, 1080 by 1920. Okay, and press OK. All right, and now we see that we have a vertical video, but now we have a little bit of black bars at the top and at the bottom. So what I like to do is press Option and go just to the video, Option, Video, drag this up till it's finished. Okay, then we want to go here, we want to go to our effects control. We can make it fill the whole screen. Okay, and then go over here to effects, and we're going to type in Gaussian, or just GAUS. Take this, put it on the bottom layer, and then we're going to crank this up to, you could do like 50%. That's cool. So now, so this is a video. This is a test of closed captions. I'm talking slow, and then I'm talking fast. So let's see how it goes. All right, boom. Now you ready for TikTok. You ready to put this on, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever the case. And you have captions. Check out my previous video if you don't know how to add automatic captions. You don't even have to do a lot of work. Okay, so yeah, that's one way to make a vertical video. As you know, in Adobe, there's like a million ways to do the same thing. So another thing that you can do is right click this, go into sequence settings, but you could also do auto reframe sequence as well. Okay, so this is a video. So this one is really cool because basically it's going to use AI and machine learning to kind of track my head and make sure that I'm in the middle, and it does a really good job as well. This is a test of closed captions. So hold on for a second, let me go back. So this is a video. This is a test of closed captions. I'm talking slow, and then I'm talking fast. So let's see how it goes. So it just depends on what kind of look you're going for. I feel like this one gives you more of a handheld camera look, where it's not necessarily all the way steady, but it's just kind of right there with you. And that's maybe the look that you're going for. Or if you want the mirrored in the back, where it's kind of blurry in the background, then that's another way that you could go for the vertical look. But super simple, super easy. I gave you two ways to be able to do vertical video from a horizontal video. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Always be smooth.